everyone, welcome to Brilliance Online Edu Classes. Today I am here with Moments Prose 10, The Beggar. It is written by Anton Chekhov. Now let's know about the author. Anton Chekhov was born on 29th January 1860. He died on 15th July 1984. During his tenure, he achieved notable awards. Pushkin Prize is one of them. He is physician, short story writer, and a Russian playwright, a short story writer who is considered to be among the greatest writers of short fiction in history. His career as a playwright produced 4 classics, and his best short stories are held in high esteem by writers and critics. The Beggar is a story of the transformation of a beggar into a good person. It is an inspiring story. The writer, through the characters of the stories, tries to showcase complexity of thoughts and beliefs in human beings. Now let's see the important characters of the story. There are 3 important characters in the story. First is Lashkov. He is a drunkard beggar. He does not want to do work and tells lies so that people may feel pity on his condition and give him alms. At the end of the story, he transforms to a good person and becomes a successful person. Sergey. Sergey is an advocate. He meets Lashkov and gives him work at his house. He thinks that he has changed Lashkov. The important character of the story is Olga. She is a cook who works at Sergey's house. She is kind and compassionate. She feels pity on the miserable condition of Lashkov and does all his work. She cries for him and chops wood for him unconditionally. It is due to her kindness that Lashkov changes his ways in the end and becomes a successful notary. Now let's see the highlights, that is the main points of the story. Sergey, an advocate, meets a drunkard beggar named Lashkov. Lashkov wants that Sergey should feel pity on him. He tells him that he has to beg as he has no work to do. He was a school teacher in a village. Sergey looks at the beggar closely and remembers that he had met him at different street 2 days ago. The beggar was posing as a student then. Lashkov denies that it was not him, but Sergey tells him that he is a cheat and threatens to call the police. Lashkov then admits that it was him and says that he has to tell lies so that people take pity on him and give alms. Sergey takes him to his house and gives him a job of chopping wood. Though Lashkov is not willing to work, he agrees to do the work. He is called first day of every month to chop wood and is given half a ruble. Lashkov starts coming Sergey's house. Olga, that is Sergey's cook, sees him in a miserable condition and helps him by doing his work. She didn't tell this to Sergey. Lashkov was happy to get paid without doing any work. Sergey is happy to see Lashkov working hard. He asks Lashkov to go to his friend's place where he can get writing job. Sergey is pleased at having put Lashkov on the right path and gives him a letter that needs to be handed to his friend. Lashkov agrees and go there. Sergei and Lashkov meet after 2 years at the theatre. Lashkov tells that he has become a notary now and is paid 35 rubles. Sergei is happy to know that and takes the credit for changing his life. Lashkov thanks him for his help and tells the truth that it was Olga's unconditional help and concern that made him change his ways. Now students, this story gives us a very important message. It says that one can make his life happy and prosperous by doing hard work. Everyone should try to work and earn his livelihood. If one is ready to work, she will always get some job or the other. So, one should live a life of honor. There are new words which we come across in this story. So, let us focus on that. Swear, it means to pledge or promise. Lodging, a temporary accommodation, that is a place to stay. Kopeck, currency of Russia. Calumny, misrepresentation or defamation of character. Ragged, old and torn, worn out. Suppliant, pleading or requesting. Province, region or district. Mendicant, it means beggar, depending on alms. Overshoes, a shoe worn over a normal shoe. Expelled, removed. Mumble, murmur, that is to speak unclearly. Flushed, red skin. Disgust, hatred or feeling of dislike. Swindling, dishonest or cheating. Hasten, to rush or to hurry. Pseudo, to pretend, not genuine, that is fake. Spat, this is past tense of spit, that is to eject saliva. Menial, work which doesn't require much skill. Howling, pulling or dragging. Shovel, spade, that is a tool. Irresolutely, uncertainly or hesitantly. Consentant, agree to do something. Toil, to work very hard. Glared, to stare in an angry manner. Gait, way of walking. So students, hope this content as well as this word meanings will help you out in understanding this story. Thank you. Thank you. Happy learning.